Bam! What's going on, YouTube? Guys, welcome to Stocks Life. If you're new, subscribe, and if you're not new and returning, you're awesome for returning. Guys, it's a short squeeze. It's a short squeeze. It's a huge day for AMC, guys. AMC is going down, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit my portfolio. As you guys see, I have quite a bit of money at this point invested in it. Over $22,000. Guys, look at this. I bought a ton of contracts. I am not panicking at all. They're all in the red right now. They're all in the red. They were in the green earlier because it was crashing pretty fast. Look at this contract I bought yesterday. I added $3,000 yesterday, over $3,000. Actually, I bought two contracts yesterday. One early in the morning when the stock was at $37, and the contract is right here. It's a $39 put. Yep. I dropped $1,500 on it. So I dropped a total of $5,000 yesterday on AMC, on shorting AMC. These are all contracts to short AMC. So this is the situation. The situation is we got to put at $39. What happened after that? Right after that yesterday, guys, I bought the contract and then the stock skyrocketed 100%. It went up 100% yesterday, which is insane. It hit $72. AMC hit $72 yesterday, which is just astonishing. It's currently back up to 56. This is why I'm back up in the red, guys. I am not panicked at all. I think I am about to make a lot of money on AMC. When it was about at some point it was around the 48. When I just looked a little bit ago, yeah, around 48 at 12 o'clock. I was looking an hour ago. I was big time in the green. I was in the green on the two last contracts that I bought, including the very big one, $60 put, guys. I scored a $60 put contract yesterday at $3,500. I bought it at lunch when the stock was at the highest almost. It was at over $70 for the stock. Really happy about this buy. And actually, right now it says the return today is at minus $15. Just earlier, an hour ago, guys, this was at plus $300, over $300. I'm expecting a major return on this. The contract is valid for a whole year. What am I talking about? Expiration date, August 20th. I did not get a whole year because it was so expensive. The contract they were becoming so expensive, and I didn't have the money to put in it. So I have two contracts. When the whole thing started, guys, I bought two contracts. Small amount of money that I put in at first, and I bought an 11.5 put that you could see here that expires on the 11th. I knew that after the second it was going to crash. This was my whole idea, so I bought these before June 2nd, before the whole thing happened. And I'm pretty much, I think we're not going to be in the green on these two. But guys, this was only a $100 contract. This was a $200 contract. Not a big deal. And now, as you guys can see, I bought a couple more puts. This one expires in August. This one expires in July. We might be able to turn this one around in July at 22 put. Might be able to get most of the money back. Maybe put it in the green. It's only $300, guys. Now, $39 put, guys, will expire in August. I put $1,600 on it. 1620. Is that what it's valued right now? Yeah, it's what it's valued right now. 1600, guys. I expect this one to be big time in the profit. Big time, guys. At some point it hit 37. I didn't get to look at what it was, the contract was worth, but I think I was up a couple $100 on it. Same thing with I have a contract at $31 put, which this expires in September, guys, mid-September. There's no reason that AMC doesn't crash back down. I'm expecting AMC to crash down around 20. That's what I'm expecting, guys. I don't believe that it's gonna go down to where it was, all the way down. I think this is what happens when you have these major spikes. It's gonna crash really bad, but I think it'll be hard. I think it'll hit a gap at around 20. So, but if you look at all the puts that I have, guys, especially the ones where I have big amount of money, I should be way good, way good. My expensive puts are one starting at $24, guys. This one expires in January, so I have over 6 months to make this one happen. I'm pretty sure that I can get in the green on this. I will probably wait a little longer to sell the $24 put contract, which is this one, because it expires in January 21st. I definitely expect AMC to be crushed around. I'll sell this contract when AMC does make it around 20, maybe even lower. So as you guys can see, the value right now that I have on it is that I have over $7,000. I have almost $8,000 in on AMC. I put a chunk of my money, guys. This thing's going down. This thing's going down. There is no way, guys. At 70, when it was up yesterday at around 70, close to 70, like 65 for the share, it puts the market cap of the company of AMC, guys, higher than half of the companies in the SP 500, which is nonsense. The AMC is not one of the top biggest company in America doing so well. Not at all. AMC is not one of the biggest company, and AMC is not doing so well right now with the pandemic. As much as they're not gonna disappear, we know that. They're not doing that good. They're really not doing that well. So I'm really confident about this, guys. I'm really pumped about it. This morning it started, man. Guys, just earlier this was at minus 22%. Right now we're back up at minus 12%. Things are still moving. I expect things to not fully crash today. Today's gonna be, it's just the beginning. Today is the beginning, guys. Within this, I think the crash could last several days, maybe even weeks with some slow ups and down. And this is why I was trying to buy some of these contracts on longer term and not super short term, just to make sure, just to not have, not that way I don't have to panic. There's no panic. So this is the situation, guys. And guys, let's take a quick look. I bought two other contracts, guys. I bought one contract on Sundial Growers. I'm up huge on it, guys. I only put it, this was a $100 contract. No, not even. Yeah, I bought two contracts at $50 worth. Guys, I'm up 87% on it. I am up 87% on return total, which is really awesome. And I might sell them really soon just because it's not a lot of money, but the profit is, you got to look at the percentage. Tilray, guys, same thing. The day before Tilray merged with Aphria. Aphria merged with Tilray, which makes it the biggest company of cannabis in Canada. I decided to buy a contract the day before the merge. And guys, look at what we got. Look at what we got. We got a 68% return right now. $338 profit. Awesome. Awesome. Today it's another 10% on the contract. $80 today, a return. We'll take it. This is really cool. Tilray is currently trading at $19. I plan on getting rid of, I think this could go up above 20. See, you see it hit a resistance point this morning, 22, 21.50. I think this would be a really good contract. I have this contract, guys, till next January. So no panic. This could be potential pretty big profit. And I could see Tilray hitting the, if you look at the 1 year mark, when it exploded, when AMC happened, guys, the last short squeeze happened, right when it was done with AMC, guys, there was a short squeeze on Tilray. If this happens again, guys, look at this. It potentially could hit a $67 high. If this goes to $60 and pretty much triples, imagine. This is a contract, so you double. This could go up 600% if it goes to this level, to $60. So let's just hold on to it for now. Hold on to it. No panic. We're big time in the profit. It's awesome. And guys, last update on the portfolio is the Dogecoin, the big update. I'm not going to give you guys an update on everything, but everything's looking really good lately. Good. And the Dogecoin, guys, boom, we got some news. The big news on Dogecoin is Coinbase is now accepting Dogecoin as to trade. You can now, we're going to, because right now you can't. We actually cannot right now. It's just been announced that they're going to let people buy Dogecoin. But this is huge for two different reasons. First off, because Coinbase is the #1 platform to buy cryptocurrencies. They're the #1 platform. So this is huge for Dogecoin. And as you guys can see, when this was announced, it jumped. You can see it on the graph here. I mean, it went from 33 cents, guys, to 38, kept going. I mean, we hit 44 cents. So pretty huge jump up. If you look at the past week, it gained 20%. It's shooting back down a little bit today, but it's normal because it hit so many spikes that at some point, guys, people are going to cash out a little bit. But we're still at 40 cents stable, kind of. This is really good. Really good. Overall portfolio, guys, I am holding 21,000 Dogecoin, and we are at over $8,000, over 3,200 of profit. So looking good, man. Looking good. At some point, we were low, man. We were at $1,000 profit on it. 60% return profit. Really good stuff, man. Really, really good stuff. Cannot complain. And guys, video is long enough. Make sure you're subscribed. We'll do an update really soon, guys. I have not been so much on StockSiphon, and it's just because I've been really busy. I redid the floor in my house. So now the flooring's done, guys. I'm going to be able to put some more time on StockSiphon. And I'm super pumped. So make sure you're subscribed. We'll do an update really soon. And I'm out, guys. Have an awesome day.